Machine Gun Kelly, let me tell you something. I'm a fucking demon lord, you're a fucking faggot. I'll bury you 6 feet underground, yeah. Eminem said that your patterns are shit. Your girlfriend is not for you. Do you have more than one? Probably. Yeah, it's my fault, cunt. Eminem is a better rapper than you. You're a cheater, so you can't rap for shit. I'm on Eminem's side. Who the fuck are you? And who the fucking judge me? Yeah. Fuck you, cunt. Eminem is a sick man, we know that. You might be cool, but I still don't give a fuck. After you drop the binge album, Eminem's fans now hate you. And what? You're a rapper. That's fucking bullshit. You're fucking bullshit. Machine Gun Kelly, you have no fans. Thank you, Kelly. Everyone, and now everywhere you go, they're gonna hate you. Well, I forgot. Eminem's fans anyways. So stop fucking with Eminem, or, per se, stop fucking everything up and blaming on Eminem. And while you're at it, you also suck a bitch. I'm the boss nigga. That's why they call me the demon lord. That's why they call me me. I'm the boss nigga. That's why they call me the demon lord. That's why they call me the demon lord. My beard is weird. You give a fuck. How about you, Lord? I don't. Have you heard about the glass? Well, that's you, cunt. So buy yourself another dog. Yo, I'm the boss. That's why they call me the demon lord. And that's why they call me me. That's why they call me the demon lord. That's why they call me the demon lord. That's why they call me the demon lord. Fuck you, psychopath bitch. Fucking hate you. Machine Gun.